Hi, I'm Chef D, and welcome to the Studio Kitchen. Simple, fresh ingredients that are truly better with Bothwell cheese. We have some aged cheddar, some marble, some orange cheddar, and we're going to use the orange cheddar in our croissant club sandwich. A little bit of cheddar, some fresh cucumbers, and you can add tomatoes, you can add lettuce to it. We have some side bacon, delicious double smoked side bacon, some great pasture-raised chicken, and then some great barbecue sauce. Surround our clubhouse. Another piece of cheese, because we can never have enough cheese. Fresh, fantastic ingredients are truly better with Bothwell cheese.